Let's begin with world famous foods. Guess which food is it? Hawaiian pizza, pepperoni pizza or margherita? Correct, it's pepperoni pizza. Now guess which famous food is it? Veggie burger, slider or cheeseburger? Answer before time run out. It's cheeseburger. Take a look and name it. Nigiri sushi, maki or sashimi? Very good, it is Japan's nigiri sushi. Guess this world famous food dish. Options are penne, ravioli or lasagna. It's lasagna. Now guess it. Tenders, nuggets or popcorn chicken? Nuggets. Now try this easy one. Is it corn dog, bratwurst or hot dog? Hot dog. Comment which world famous food is this? Spaghetti carbonara, marinara or alfredo? Spaghetti carbonara. Guess this world famous food dish. Is it crinkle cut, French fries or wedges? It's French fries. Which famous food is this? Garden salad, Greek salad or Caesar salad? Correct, it's Caesar salad. Can you name this food dish? Is it brioche, baguette or croissant? It's croissant. Now let's move to famous street foods. Can you name this popular street food? It's quesadilla, tacos or burrito? Very good, it's tacos. Can you name what it is? Churros, donuts or pretzels? It is churros. Take a look and name this food. Bao bun, wonton or dumpling? Bao bun. Do you know which street food is it? It is arancini, meatballs or falafel? It's falafel. Name it. Calamari, fish and chips or fried shrimp? Very good, it's fish and chips. Now name it. Options are cheese fries, poutine and loaded fries. It is poutine. Comment which street food it is. Bami, Pio Boy or sub sandwich? It's bami. Which food is this? Is it kebab, yakitori or satay? Correct, it's satay. Can you name this famous food dish? Options are crepes, blini and pancakes. It is crepes. Now name this famous food dish. Options are penne, ravioli or lasagna. It's penne. Comment which street food it is. Bami, Pio Boy or sub sandwich? It's bami. Which food is this? Is it kebab, yakitori or satay? Correct, it's satay. Can you name this famous food dish? Options are crepes, blini and pancakes. It is crepes. Take a look and name them. It is popcorn, polenta or elote? You got it, it's elote. Let's level it up and guess 10 famous regional foods. Do you know which regional food is it? Is it jambalaya, paella or risotto? It's paella from Spain. Now name this food dish. Korma, tikka masala or butter chicken? Correct, it is India's famous food butter chicken. Name it. Options are pho, laksa and ramen. It's pho from Vietnam. Now name what it is. Is it lo mein, pad thai or chow mein? It is Thailand's famous pad thai. Can you name what it is? Pierogi, gyoza or dim sum? It's dim sum from China. Now try this. Chili, goulash or beef stew. It is goulash from Hungary. Guess it. Is it moussaka, shepherd's pie or lasagna? You got it, it's moussaka and it is national dish of Greece. Now guess this. Is it ceviche, tartare or pork? It's ceviche from Peru. Take a look and try this. Empanda, ravioli or pierogi. Pierogi from Poland. Can you still guess which food is this? It's huevos ranchos, shakshuka or omelette. Correct, it's shakshuka and it is originated in Northern Africa. Let's move to final chapter and guess 10 sweet dish. Can you name this famous sweet dish? Is it cheesecake, tiramisu or trifle? Very good, it's tiramisu. Now name it. It's macarons, meringues or macaroons. Correct, it's macarons. Take a look and try this. Options are cannoli, phyllo and baklava. It's sweet dish baklava. Comment which sweet dish is it? Is it soft serve, gelato or sorbet? You got it, it's gelato. Can you name what it is? Dafuku, rice cake or mochi? It's mochi. Take a look and try this famous sweet dish. Creme brulee, pudding or flan. Correct, it is creme brulee. Which food is it? Is it cobbler, apple tart or apple pie? It's apple pie. Name it. It's sponge cake, red velvet cake or chocolate cake. It's delicious red velvet cake. Now name it. Options are pavlova, strawberry shortcake and meringue tart. Correct, it is famous sweet dish pavlova. Which delicious food is this? Rasgulla, gulab jamun or jalebi? Comment your score. It's Indian originated gulab jamun. At last, comment which is your favorite food dish and from which country it is. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel for more such quizzes.